Lift the chest. Raise your core. Bring the leg down, lay down on your back. We're gonna scissor the legs. Ready? Starting off right knee, bend, and switch. Start with bent knees. Now your hands, press the knees, and imagine pushing your knees away. If you want more, extend the legs. Ooh. Shoulders away from your back. If you're looking for more strength. Your breath. Exhale. Exhale as you switch. 2 more. Last one. Switch legs. Put out the shoulder wrists. Let the arms stay there. Lift the chest. Option. Both knees bend. Relax your neck up your chin. 4, 3, other side. Switch. Yes. It's your whole arms that's moving. Not just the hands. You got 8, 7, 4, 3, 2 on the knees. Sit down. Back to the elbows. This time, stay rigid is the option. Where you release your hands, extend your legs for the full pose. Let's go, Grace. Let's go, Mommy Joy. Let's reach forward. Brace your core. Let's go. Lift the chest. There you go. Almost there. Twist down. We're going to do the scissor legs. Starting off. Right leg. Switch. And switch your breath. Exhale. Now you can stay here. Or if you want the full option, straighten both legs. Yes. We're gonna add on some chemical folding. So push your quads. Exhale. Last 2. Right leg extend. Stay there. Without yourself legs. Now this is your challenge. This is where you want to give up. But we're not giving up. Yes. 4, 3, other side. Faster, low prone. You got 8. Breathe. 4, 3. Hug your knees to your chest. How's that for your core? Let's go to core track number 2. You may face the center of the room. Come to your core arm line. Your arms, GP style. Start with your knees off the mat. We're gonna walk the knees. Lower the hips down. Keep us exit. There you go. Lift one knee, lift, and we switch. So stabilize your hips. So keep the core braced. Tuck the tailbone in, and try to reach your knees down on the floor. Now everyone, knees down, plank, full option, knees away. We're just gonna do your plank. Stay in plank, Mommy Joy. There you go, hips down. Can you lower that signal? You're gonna face the stage, side back, top arms, circle the arms, reach the back, and you're gonna face away from the stage. Other hand, circle. It feels so long, going back. Walk the knees a little bit fast, down, down, and switch. So you should be feeling it by your lower hands. And if you're looking for more, we're gonna go fast. Ready? Down, down. To avoid swinging the hips, imagine someone's punching you in your core. That's how your core should feel. 4, 3, 2, forward, plank, knees up. We're working your shoulders. We're working your core. We're working the legs. Lahat na. Ready? Side back. Turn to the stage. Option knees down. If you want to take it easy. Circle the arms. Face the back side. And imagine forming a semicircle with your hands. 2 more times. To the stage. Breathe in. Wait on a Monday morning. Other side. 1 more. You got 4, 3, 2. Collapse down. Belly up. 1 more track for your core. Come to all fours. Hands in line with shoulders. You're gonna do your plank. Option, stay with knees or lift your knees to your full plank. Watch, you're gonna lean your weight forward and you're gonna shift it back. But we're gonna lift one leg, that leg lifts up. Lean forward, lean back. Other leg, right leg forward, and switch. Inhale, exhale. 1 more. Belly down. Flutter kicks. Extend your arms back. Eye gaze down on your mat. Lift the chest. Ready? Let's make this a little bit more fun. Reach the arms forward. Circle forward. Option, fingertips down. Or move your fingertips away. Lift the thighs if you can. Squeeze the butt. 4, 3, 2. Back to plank. Round number 2. You can start with knees then. But if you're feeling strong, come to your plank. We're gonna lean that weight again. Starting off, left leg up, lean forward, lean back. Right leg up, breathe in, breathe out. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, last one. Belly down, ladder kicks. Now this time, plant the fingertips down. Use your fingertips to lift your chest up. Squeeze your shoulder blades in. Let's flow. Lean forward, hands. Lift the chest. How fast can you swim? Let's go into Cecil. It's a race. Overtake the person in front. Let's slow the hands. Circle back. Breathe in. Lift the chest. Breathe out. Arms forward. Again. Peek up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. All the hard work.